Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView. Welcome to episode number 86 of Trading Talk. In this episode, we have another concept from Lubos, who gave us the concept for last week. What he wants to do is he wants to compare two true or false variables. Some of you might find this a little bit of a challenging concept to get your head around, but we show you how to do it in this video. If you do find it a challenging concept, then all the more reason to build it so you can improve with your building and your trading. That's what these videos are for. Also, next weekend is our 2018 Algo Trading Conference. Last year was a massive success, and we're looking forward to having an even bigger and better conference this year. We've got Kevin Davey, Dr. Tom Stark, and our head of trading, Ali Ghali, each of the guys showing you three models that they've built and that they trade. Just a little bit of feedback, a bit of an update. I was speaking to Tom yesterday, and we've had Tom's model running for a while now, but we're adding some really special indicators that we wanted to give to you guys, similar to the indicators that we use on the desk. And when we showed Tom what we built, he was absolutely blown away, and he couldn't believe that, number one, we're going to give this kind of thing away at the conference because it's truly institutional grade indicator, and number two, that we were able to build it for MT4. So we really want to push the boundaries with MT4. We're giving you some really great stuff at this conference. If you have a ticket, I look forward to seeing you next weekend. If you don't, we do have a couple of seats available due to a couple of last minute people not being able to attend. So there's not very many, there's maybe one or two. Give me a call and let me know if you would like to come, and we'll see if we can get you in there. Hope you enjoy this video. Next week's Trading Talk will probably be the last one for the year. But until then, have a great week and all the best with your trading. Bye for now.